3-ingredient mixture improves vision and liver detoxification. Few things are better for your health and your wallet than homemade vegetable juice. After all, juicing is an easy, time-saving way to get more fruits and vegetables in your diet and use up leftover produce before they go bad. As long as you moderate your intake to account for the natural sugars and calories involved in juicing recipes, vegetable juices can provide amazing anti-inflammatory benefits for your body. Still, many people find it hard to start juicing, as vegetable juices can turn out bitter, especially if they happen to incorporate highly nutritious but bitter greens. Luckily, there are plenty of juicing recipes for sweeter juicing options that are easier on the taste buds, but just as healthy. Here, we introduce an easy juicing recipe for a popular juice blend from Venezuela called jugo 3-in-1 juice, a delicious, wholesome, anti-inflammatory blend of orange, beet, and carrot juice. Recipe: jugo 3-in-1, orange, beet, and carrot juice. Prep time: 5 minutes. Ingredients: 4 organic oranges, any size, 1 organic beet, any size, 2 organic carrots, any size. Optional: 1 tablespoon honey, liquid stevia, or any natural sweetener of your choice. Instructions: 1. Wash, peel, and/or prepare the oranges, beet, and carrots, as desired. 2. Put the oranges, beet, and carrots in a juicer and juice them. Alternatively, blend the ingredients in a blender to desired consistency. 3. If desired, add natural sweetener. 4. Serve immediately. Notes: you may alter the number of oranges, beets, and carrots in the recipe as desired. For instance, you may choose to reduce the amount of sugar within the beverage by using fewer oranges, or substituting them with other vegetables high in vitamin C, but low in sugar, like kale or celery. To minimize the impact on blood sugar, also consider drinking the juice right before a meal. This will help slow down the release of glucose into the bloodstream.